Objective number 2, critical value. Step 0. In step 0, we need to write down the information and the question. The information that we should do is calculate the difference, and then we calculate the average of the difference. The difference, the formula is after minus before, or before minus after. Depend on the problem, then we will choose which formula to match with the question. And SD is SDDV. It is the standard deviation of the difference. Also, the problem will give us the alpha. The question is either mu d equal to 0, mu d greater than 0, not equal to 0, or less than 0. Mu d is the population mean of the difference. To choose which one is depend on the question, and based on the question, we will decide the d is after minus before or before minus after. But keep in mind that we always like to have the difference positive. So we need to choose such the way so that we get a positive number more in the difference. Step number 1, we set up the null is mu d equal to 0, and alternative hypothesis is opposite. So we have 3 cases, not 0, greater than 0, or less than 0. Then we choose right tail, left tail, or two tail. Step number 2 is the alpha. Step number 3, test statistic t equal d bar minus mu d over sd divided by square root of n. So far, you can see that p-value and critical value method are both the same from step 0 to step number 3. The different step will be step number 4. We find the critical value. The critical value is in the pink color. And the alpha will be the shaded green color. And the alpha, we got it from step number 2. If we are doing two tail, then we do alpha divided by 2. And the shaded area is the reject null region. So step number 5, we reject the null, or we do not reject the null. We'll use step number 3. We go back to step number 3. We got the answer, and then this number will land on the reject or do not reject null region. Then we choose the answer. And then step number 6, we will do the conclusion for that.